Gobeithio gei di'r neges yma. Bydd mae'n gallu gweld os mae'r bastard peth yn gweithio. Oh, hang on, it's on. Right, well, hopefully you're getting this message and, well, I don't want to freak you out or anything, but, it's me, Dad. It's your son, Aaron Richards. I don't really understand how any of this works, but, yeah, it's me. Just a few years older than you used to. Well, about 30 years older. But, well, listen, I couldn't pass up the chance of speaking to you, so... If you are getting this message, we are just weeks out from our very first World Cup. I know, we did it, didn't we? We got there. And you always dreamed of seeing Wales in a World Cup. And that playoff final against the Ukraine, well, that was really something, wasn't it? You know, being there with you and 30,000 others cheering our team was probably one of the biggest moments of my life. All of us singing Yma o hyd. You were trying your best, but you didn't know the words. The eyes of the world were upon us, our biggest team in years, and you felt disconnected. You said you didn't feel like a real Welshman because you couldn't speak the language. Well, that's bollocks, Dad. It just is. Growing up not knowing your language doesn't make you less Welsh. I mean, maybe people had something to say about it back in the day, but you know what? That shit doesn't happen anymore. Not these days. Welsh is a language for the living, and not for the dinosaurs stuck in the past. You said maybe you should try learning the language. To learn Welsh. Well, I'm telling you right now to pull your finger out and get started. You can do this, Dad. You're going to do it. You're going to learn Welsh and you're going to speak it too. I mean, maybe not perfect, maybe not fluent, but it'll be worth it. So don't put it off. Oh, God, I just wish I had more time. Listen, I'm going to say this in Welsh, all right? So if you can, record this message and then come back to it in a few years, okay? Ti'n cofio'r target o 1 miliwn o siaradwyr Cymraeg erbyn 2050? Wel, nathon ni lot gwell. Diolch I pobl fel ti, Dad. Pobl oedd wedi dysgu'r iaith mwyn ymuno efo'r culture a rhoi Cymru ar map y byd. Yr iaith, y chwaraeon, teledu y ffilm, caneuon. Ac mae pawb o gwmpas y byd I gyd yn siarad Cymraeg nawr. And do you know what? Dyw Cymraeg pawb ddim yn perffaith. Mine isn't. Ond dim ots. Mae pobl yn trio. Mae pobl yn tynnu at ei gilydd. A mae pobl o gwmpas y byd yn dewis I siarad Cymraeg. Mae'r wlad a'r byd yn llawn o Gymru Cymraeg. Because to be Welsh is what matters in here. Mewn fan hyn. So it doesn't matter if you don't know what the words are or what they mean. You will. So sing your heart out, Dad. And then you and I will sing Yma o hyd together the next time Wales takes to the pitch. And we'll be chatting along together in Welsh too, we will. I'll never forget. Cymru am byth. See, that game against the Ukraine was a turning point. Not just for the team, but for our nation, our culture, our language. And listen, you don't think we're going to wait another 64 years before Wales qualifies for a World Cup, do you? No. So come on, Dad, get on with it. Because in a few tournaments' time, you're going to have a beautiful little Welsh granddaughter who really wants to sing along with her Tad Key. Carry ti, Dad.